Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to everyone, especially the moms who are working and also the parents. So this video is especially for you. If you have a kid who is basically from toddler phase or the preschool stage or just born, so I'm sure you are being tired, like you have sleepless nights and many times your child is not sleeping in the night and wakes up quite often, several times during the night. So many parents face the same problem because their kids are facing the similar problem. Either they struggle to fall asleep or wake up crying in the middle of the night. Good sleep is essential for the child's growth and brain development and the mood. But due to irregular routines, screen times or digestion issues, many kids don't sleep peacefully. So today I will be sharing some natural tips and home remedies to help your child sleep better way and they wakes up on time and have a sound sleep without medicines. So here is a solution for you. I'll be bringing certain tips to you. Tip number 1, set a sleep routine. Try to put your child hits the bed at the same time every night. So a consistent sleep schedule will help your child's body clock will be adjusted naturally and fall asleep. Tip number 2, light dinner and warm milk. Always give your child a very light dinner which comprises of the dal, rice, khichdi or soups, which should be at least 2 hours before the bedtime. So this dinner meal should be easily digestible. It should be in a little semi-solid form so that it can help your child to have a sound sleep. And what you do in the night before the sleep, just give a glass of warm milk, since the winters are coming up, with a little pinch of turmeric, or grate a little turmeric in that with black pepper, or give a second option like nutmeg as per the age appropriate. Their body should have a this nutmeg will help to promote a sound sleep. So give it in a alternate days wise, and this will help your child with the sound sleep. Tip number 3, reduce the screen time before bed. Turn off all the gadgets, whether it's a mobile, whether it's a TV or tab or anything. You should turn off everything 1 hour before the sleep. Screens overstimulate the brain and makes it difficult for kids to relax. So don't give the screen. So generally what happens, like your child is having an holiday, not going to school, so parents think like let your child relax, but this will disturb their routine cycle. Please maintain or schedule the same routine every day. That will definitely help you as well as your child with better and sound sleep. Tip number 4, gentle massage. A light warm oil if it is winters, or if not winters then light oil massage given to on their legs, feet and during the bedtime, which helps your child feel secure and calm. You can use coconut and almond oil for this. Oil if it is winters, or if not winters then light oil massage given to on their legs, feet and during the bedtime, which helps your child feel secure. Tip number 5, calm bedtime environment. Keep your room very dim, quiet, cozy kind of thing. You can play soft lullabies or bedtime stories that will help the mind unwind and prepare for your sleep. what is the benefit out of it you will receive? That your child sleeps well and their body grow faster, with the brain develops better and wakes up cheerful and active. And yes, of course, this will help the parents also with the peaceful rest and happy mornings. Hello, I am Neha Saxena, your child wellness coach, and through It's Healthy Me, I help millennial parents with the natural tips and home remedies to raise happy and healthy child's growth and development. So if you are a parent who are struggling with the same kind of issue with your child's sleep, so this channel is being specially for you. If you found this video quite helpful for you, just press the like button for me, and do share with the parents or in the same friend circle who are facing the similar issues, so that they can get the information how to do these tips which can help you out. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel for more similar kind of home remedies and natural tips, powerful tips related to parenting. So do comment also, like what bedtime trick helps you the most, which can help me in the next video and motivates me, like what should I bring especially for you. Thank you so much for listening to me, and have a good day.